What's up, y'all? It's Ty, aka Timberlands, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my jumbo box braids. Disclaimer, this is not a braiding tutorial. I'm basically just showing you guys how I accomplished this look. But if you guys are interested in a braiding tutorial, then just let me know in the comments. So I stretched my hair overnight with just some plaits before I did this, and then I went ahead and just put some moisturizer in my hair, and then I started parting my sections. The products that I'm using is by Mielle, and I'm going to be using their edge control to help slick down each section. So I'm just going to go through first and make all of the parts where I want my braids to be, and then I just secure them down with rubber bands. So I'm going with jumbo braids because it's going to be a lot less tension on my edges. If you follow my page, you know that I did have some hair loss around my edge line after I had my baby. So this is just going to allow me to have box braids without having the extra tension right around my edges. So doing your sections first is going to make it a lot easier once you actually start braiding. Also, please excuse the quality of this video. This was originally recorded for TikTok and I didn't set up my second camera for YouTube, so I'm just using this footage. So now that my parts are done, I'm going to be using this hair called Braid by Outre, I think. I got it from the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to get my hair ready to start braiding my hair down. So just as an FYI, this hair comes 3 bundles in a pack. So for each braid, I use half a bundle. And as you saw, I go ahead and split the hair and then rejoin them at different lengths just to make the braid longer and also give it that like tapered end. So for the braiding method, I just use the 2-strand method. I use the 2 sides of the hair, and then the 3rd strand is my hair. And then slowly I just add hair to my hair as I'm braiding it down. But I'm just gonna let you guys watch the edits because it's pretty much me just braiding my hair down. So next I'm going to be dipping my ends into hot water. I keep a towel next to me so that I can go ahead and dry the hair and also like straighten it down so that the ends aren't all crinkly. So I'm just going to be using a little bit of Eco Styler on my edges. That way when I add the edge control, it's not super stiff and I'm actually able to style them. Using my Mielle edge control, I'm going to do some really basic baby hairs, y'all, and then I'm just going to wrap them up. All right, so I'm just gonna slay my face and finish product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This was my first time doing my braids like this, but I think it came out cute. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.